In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text size for a specific app on your iPhone. That's iOS 15 feature, so make sure your iOS is 15 version or higher. So, first open up your settings and select Control Center. And there add text size to your control center. Just tap on that plus icon. And then let's open some text application and then swipe down to open Control Center and select Text Size feature. And here you can select between changing text size for all apps, it's turned on by default, or just for current application. And then you can swipe up or swipe down to set up the text size for that application. Then tap on any free space, swipe up, and now you see that text size was successfully changed for that exact application.